In this video, I'm going to show you how you can back up your Incomedia website X5 website. So basically what you want to do is to open up the program as normal. Now I'm using website X5 Evolution version 16, so if you're using a slightly older or even a newer version, the process may be slightly different, but it probably will be the same or near enough anyway. So basically what you want to do is go into the main project selection page. You'll probably notice on the right hand side you can see here it says backup. Basically this only backs up your files on this PC, so if you want to create a backup copy and export it to a USB stick or a different computer, or you want to upload it to the internet or whatever to store it safely and so on, the process is slightly different. So basically what you want to do is to choose your project from the list. So if I just choose one of my websites here, so now that website's loaded, basically what you want to do is go to number 5, which is the export option here. And what you want to do is to export the project here, so click on that. Now basically you can now click on the little folder icon and you can choose where you want to export your backup to. So basically choose the destination on your Windows PC. You can also choose to include copies of preview files and include the backup copies. It's entirely up to you whether you want to keep these or not. Personally, I wouldn't, as it can use up valuable space. So basically untick these, but it's up to you. So basically the next step is to click the green arrow and it will begin exporting your project. So click OK when it's done. So if I look in my folder, so I'll just find the folder, so downloads, you can now see that's been exported. You can also, if you want to, you can right click with your mouse or touchpad and select send to compressed zip folder. It will then send it to a zip folder, so it just saves a little bit of space. You can also then, if you want to, put some additional details such as the date, so I can put the 16th of October 2018. I can now save that file to a USB stick. I can upload it to the internet if I want to, or I can transfer it to a different PC. If you want to import it, the process is quite simple. If you go back to the projects section page, you can see here it says import, and if you select import, you can then simply choose your particular file from your computer and it should be imported to that section. There's also another option if you want to back it up. It's pretty much the same kind of option. So if you go into your documents and you find your Incomedia folder here, it's usually in the document section, click on it. Then you can click on website X5, Evolution or Professional, depending on which version you're using. You can now see all your particular website files are stored here. So for example, this one here, if I wanted to back this up, all I'd have to do is right click again on my mouse or touchpad and select send to compressed zip folder. Now this may take a few minutes to complete, so be patient. So you can now see that folder's been here. It's in a compressed zip file format. So basically you can just extract that using a free program such as WinRAR and so on. So basically, again, if you wanted to import this again, just literally leave it into this particular file location and it should be picked up automatically from the program itself. So basically that's how you can make a backup copy of your website X5 website. Thanks for watching.